18 years ago, my daughter came home from school and told me that she'd like to build a bird box. So we built the bird box, which is actually still in the garden. And the reason I'm sharing this with you now, and the reason I've been giving it some thought, is she's actually flown the nest herself and she's wanting a bird box of her own. So we will get into build the bird box that we're going to install today. As ever, when you go and visit your children's properties, you're given lots of jobs to do. So today I've got some pipes to box in, and Grandad's kindly bought me some ply across, so we'll get this chopped down so that we can get the pipe boxing job done while we're up there as well. But first we need to jump back in time and see where the wood came from for the bird box. Just squaring the edge of the pallet wood. Now gluing the wood together to make larger width boards. I haven't actually seen this feature on any other birdhouse. I'm actually going to incorporate a bug house. So I'm actually cutting some old canes to be able to create this feature. Cutting the wood to length. All the sizes for this bird box were took off the RSPB website. I'll put a link in the description. I have had to add some water to the wood filler because it's quite old and it had dried out. Just plugging up a knocked hole. Here is a little hack for you. I actually use kitchen foil folded up several times for the lid to make it waterproof. I run silicone across the lid to stick the foil down, and then I use a bead of silicone around the edge to attach the bead in, secured with a few brad nails. And now securing the bird box in its chosen location. Now let's get these pipes boxed in. Filler over the screw heads and it's ready for painting. If you've enjoyed this video, please check out my other content. Thanks for watching.